So, students, this was all about change in the life of tribal people. Now, next topic is communities that depend upon forest resources. Before we discuss this topic, let's see this question. What do you think which is given in the box? What are the various effects of deforestation? Okay. Now, sister students, there are so many effects of deforestation. If we are cutting trees, we can we can have the scarcity of forest resources or the natural resources. We will not be getting woods, we will not be getting medicinal plants, we will not be getting important herbs which is good for our health. So many other disadvantages are there which we will have to face when we are cutting plants. So these are the various effects of deforestation. Okay, students, now moving to the next topic, communities that depend upon forest resources. Communities that depend upon forest resources. What is communities? Communities का मतलब होता है a group of people having something in common. एक 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 संगठन या एक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल है, एक जो लोगों का एक ग्रुप है जिसमें कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ें कॉमन होती है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ कम्युनिटीज. नाउ द आदिवासीज आर solely dependent on forest produce. However, people living in villages near forest also use forest resources for making medicines, food, fuel, building material, livestock fodder and other products. दैट मीन्स आदिवासीज जो हैं वो फॉरेस्ट रिसोर्सेज पे तो पूरा डिपेंडेंट है ही, लेकिन जो लोग फॉरेस्ट के आसपास रहते हैं, है ना, उन लोग भी फॉरेस्ट रिसोर्सेज पे डिपेंडेंट हैं. जैसे कि उनको मेडिसिन्स बनाने हैं तो उनको उसी से चाहिए, फूड मटेरियल चाहिए, फ्यूल चाहिए, लकड़ी चाहिए रहता है ना, हमको वुड चाहिए रहता है बर्निंग के लिए, एंड हमको बिल्डिंग मटेरियल चाहिए, लाइफ स्टॉक फॉडर, कुछ हमको अपने खाने पीने की चीज़ें जो हमको वो सारी चीज़ें चाहिए, अदर दूसरे प्रोडक्ट्स जो हमको चाहिए, है ना. सो दिस all materials we are getting from forest itself. Now many communities that are dependent on agriculture for their livelihood make use of the forest as grazing grounds for their livestock. इवन बहुत सारी कम्युनिटीज़ ऐसी हैं विच हु आर डिपेंडेंट अपॉन एग्रीकल्चर फॉर देयर लाइवलीहुड एंड दे मेक यूज़ ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट एज अ ग्रेजिंग ग्राउंड फॉर देयर लाइफ स्टॉक. इवन जिनके जो एनिमल्स रखते हैं, जिनके घर में काउज़ हैं, बफेलोज, ये सारे चीज़ें जो है, कैटल हैं, ये सारी चीज़ें जो है ना, लाइफ स्टॉक, तो उनके लिए भी फॉरेस्ट ज़रूरी है. तभी फॉरेस्ट होगा तभी तो वो जाएंगे ना, उनको भी ग्रास की ज़रूरत है एनिमल्स को फॉर ईटिंग, है ना. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट मूव द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, joint ownership of forest. Public private ownership of trees refers to the forest being under the joint ownership of the government as well as those living within the forest. दैट मीन्स कि जो फॉरेस्ट का ध्यान रखना है, यानी कि उसका जो ओनरशिप है, बोला जाए ओनरशिप जो है वो प्राइवेट और पब्लिक ओनरशिप दोनों है. ठीक है. एंड दैट मीन्स गवर्नमेंट इज ऑल्सो टेकिंग केयर ऑफ दिस एंड इवन पीपल लिविंग इन फॉरेस्ट दे आर ऑल्सो टेकिंग केयर ऑफ दिस. And the tribal communities along with the villagers cooperate with the government in protecting the forest. Even the villagers who are living there, they also cooperate, they also support government for protecting the trees. Now next is sacred groves. Sacred groves का मतलब होता है a group of holy trees. Holy trees means जो पवित्र वृक्ष माने जाते, पेड़ माने जाते हैं, जिनकी पूजा की जाती है. जैसे बेटा आपने देखा होगा पीपल का पेड़ होता है ना, तुलसी प्लांट इज़ देयर, पीपल प्लांट इज़ देयर, पीपल वर्शिप दैट प्लांट्स, है ना. इवन बन्यान ट्री, बरगद के पेड़ की भी पूजा करते हैं लोग. सो दीज आर द होली ट्रीज. नाउ देयर आर trees in the forest that are considered holy by the local people. They are sacred as they are associated with religious beliefs or some deity. That means in forest some areas are there where that area is considered as a holy by the local people living over there, and they have some religious beliefs और सम deity. वो लोग जो होते हैं वो कुछ उन एरियाज़ को या फिर उन ट्रीज़ को भगवान का दर्जा देते हैं, भगवान की तरह मानते हैं, और उनके साथ ही उनका विश्वास जुड़ा रहता है। उनको ऐसा लगता है ये इनमें ये गॉड जैसे हैं, हमको इनके गॉड की जैसे पूजा करनी है। Therefore, trees that belong to these groves are not allowed to be cut down by the people, while dead wood can be collected, but no living plant can be harmed. Several rare herbs are grown in these groves. That means these trees, then it is not allowed to cut that trees or that plant. Yes, we can use the डेड वुड, है ना, जो सूखा हुआ लकड़ी गिरा हुआ है ना, ड्राइड वुड्स हैं, ये सारी चीज़ों को हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं फॉर बर्निंग पर्पस और फॉर द अदर पर्पस, बट इट इज़ नॉट अलाउड टू कट एनी ट्री और प्लांट इन दैट एरिया. Next is, even we can get some rare herbs which are growing in this groves. Even it is used for the medicinal purpose also. The government promotes schemes to encourage people to plant more trees so that they can meet their needs of wood, fodder, fuel, and timber. And even the government is making schemes so to encourage people to plant more and more trees so that we can fulfill our needs. If there will be no trees, how can we fulfill our needs? So that it's very important to plant more and more trees. Now we are having the needs of food, for wood, fodder, fuel, and timber. Now, one Mahotsav is held in the beginning of the monsoon season, in which people plant trees. Even you must have seen in the first week of July, we are celebrating one Mahotsav. That means planting of trees. Wildlife sanctuaries and national parks are efforts on part of the government to save the forest and the animals living there. Okay, students. Now, this you must have seen wildlife sanctuaries and national parks have been made by the government so that plants and trees or animals can be protected, and they're very natural, they're very important for us. We have to protect the natural resources. Okay, students, from this chapter we have learned so many things. We have learned about groups of people, tribal people. We have also learned about the lifestyle in the olden periods and what is the effect on deforestation on this tribal people. And we also have learned how to protect trees and plants, and what government is doing, what we have to do or we are doing for protecting plants and trees. So here the chapter is completed, student. Okay, now just go through the chapter once again so that if you have any doubt we can clear in the online classes. Thank you, students.